Today I'm going to be using products from Essence and I'm super excited, so let's get started. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Kiamo and on today's video I will be showing you my quick 5 minutes makeup routine I do on the days when I'm super busy. Today I'm going to be using products from Essence and I'm super excited, so let's get started. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Essence Hello Good Stuff 3-in-1 Mist. I really love to prime my face before makeup application or before I put my foundation because number one, it hydrates my skin, and number two, it leaves my skin feeling tacky for better application for foundation. Moving on to foundation, I am going to be using the Essence Pretty Natural Hydration Foundation. Because this is a quick makeup look, I'm going to be only taking 2 drops from the foundation. And I'm going to be using a brush for a very quick application, and also I'm going to be using buffing movement. Buffing technique consists of making small circular motions with the brush to gently push the product into my skin. To warm up my face and to bring back definition into it, I'm going to be using the Essence Natural Glow Bronzing Highlighter. And to make my skin have a healthy glow, I'm going to be using the blush in the shade Believe In from Essence. I firstly gently rub a fluffy blending brush over the bronzer and swirl it in a small concentric circles across my hairline and also below my cheeks. And then for the blush, I'm going to be using something a little bit smaller for a more precise application. For blush, I hit the apple of my cheek with the product, starting at the most prominent part of the cheek, blending the color towards the nose and bringing it out towards the temple. To wake up my eyes, I'm going to be using the Essence 24-Hour Bold Mascara. When applying the product, I start at the roots using wriggling motion. This ensures that there is volume at the roots and your lashes don't feel weighed down. Mascara is the secret to longer lashes and makes your eyes look brighter and full of life. To finish off my makeup look, I'm going to be using the Essence Natural Tinted Lip Balm. A thin, even coating to the lips is the best for keeping your lips moisturized during the day. You can also use your fingers to evenly coat the product or simply rub your lips together. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and catch more of these easy tutorials on Beauty Base.